Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable and disable write protection on a USB drive, SD, micro SD memory card. USB drive is located on D drive. Now I want to copy some files to USB drive, no problem, it is copying. Now I want to write protect the USB drive using diskpart command. Type CMD on search bar. Right-click command run as administrator. Type diskpart. Type list disk. List disk display all currently connected drives including USB and hard drives. I want to write protect on 14 GB pen drive. Select disk 2. Disk 2 is 14 GB pen drive. Type attributes, disk, set, read only. Disk attributes set successfully. Now you cannot copy files to pen drive. Displays the disk is write protected. Also cannot format your pen drive. Next part is disable the write protection. Type attributes disk. Displays details of attributes in selected disk. Type attributes disk clear read only. This command clear read only attributes. Disk attributes cleared successfully. Now you can write and format your USB pen drive. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.